Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Pulse here. You're joined by the PeakBot team, myself, Ben, Thomas. Gentlemen, how are we doing today?
Pretty good.
Much better than last week.
Yeah.
That's good. I'm happy to hear that.
How are you doing?
To hear that. I'm doing well, thank you. My portfolio has been doing well. Of course, we have a lot to discuss today. Having gone into the election, coming out of the election, how are people faring? What is the new strategy? We got a lot to discuss around that. Of course, we got PeakBot picks today, and we'll do some market analysis. I just actually updated my PeakBot portfolio about an hour, 2 hours ago, posted it on YouTube. Check it out if you'd like. But we'll be going over that as well today. Gentlemen, what am I missing? Oh, we're going to tease something. We're going to stick around.
New bot alert.
New bot alert. Okay. So new bot alert. Stick around for that. We got more information to come. So where do we want to start? Where do we want to start, guys? Do we want to talk about the market and this election, or do we want to what do we want to do?
Get into trader trivia if you want to.
Oh, trader
there.
trivia. Yeah, let's do it.
And then we've got some automated trades coming up.
Oh my God, how did I forget? Hands-free trading. I got to get my
hands-free trading.
Yes. All right.
So yeah. So trader trivia. Let's do this. We've got 3 minutes. All right. What was the largest one-day percentage drop in the history of the U.S. stock market? Now, we just saw the market go wild over the past couple of days post-election. We're up, I don't know, over 3% since then. But what was the largest one-day percentage drop in the history of the U.S. stock market? And we encourage anybody watching to participate. So we're letting some viewers roll in right now. If you text the answer to 973-888-1166 and you're not currently a PeakBot subscriber and you guess this answer correctly, we will give you 3 free months of PeakBot. So guys, what are you thinking? What are your thoughts?
I don't actually know, but I feel like 30% is too specific of a number. I think it's going to be 22. Okay. That's my guess. My guess is 22C. I think 30. I feel like 30 sounds right, but I feel like it's almost too specific. Like if it was like 31%, I would probably say 31%.
Yeah,
And then wait, these are exact figures you're going for. Like generally, like obviously not 30.5%, but
yeah, they're rounded.
Okay. So that might change the answer a bit.
All right. Well, look, I'll give you my feedback. I kind of agree with Thomas. The 30% seems too good to be true, but it is rounded. I think it's more than 10 or 15%.
100%. Like 2008 definitely had to be more than 10, 15.
I don't think,
Maybe it's 15% actually.
I'm going to go D30 just because.
I'll go C22. Now I want to know, but we have to get to the did you know and wait for
what don't
we're also getting hands-free trades here in a minute.
Yeah, we could put a pause on this in just a second.
Why don't we?
Okay. Let's just quickly go through the did you know. I'm keeping an eye on the clock here. So did you know the longest running bull market in history was 11 years following the crash of 08 into 09? And then all the way up until February of 2020. COVID. And that got screwed up because of COVID.
Wow.
So COVID ruined everything. Not just in our lives, but in the stock market.
Over 400% in that time period?
Yeah. So if you had put money in 2009, you just let it ride for 11 years, you would have 4x'd your money.
That's wild. 4x'd.
4x. All right, so we're going to have some trades coming in here in just a minute. I've got my screen up. We are going to have some Iron Condor trades coming through. Hands free, hands up.
Now I'm going to set mine, but you can switch back to yours. Okay, it's still yours up. That's good.
It's still mine.
I'll have some. I'm expecting some condors. I'm expecting some contracts to roll on trend spread. I'm expecting Nike to close out, open a new one. Same thing with Shopify.
There we go. There we go. Look at that. Did you see that all at once?
That was clean.
We've
You
got,
got to slide the Trader Trivia banner up. What a loser.
we've got SPY, we've got Qs, we got IWM, we got XSP. All these condors just entered for me. Hands for you. Saw it. My hands were
Here's
up.
mine. We
Here's
just had a
Dillon's.
couple. SPY, QQQ, IWM. Those
Phil.
all just, you saw that Phil live.
Yeah,
Saw
that was a live Phil.
That
Open
was
to Phil.
fast.
That was
Holy
that was
cows.
good. Yeah,
That
that's
was
a good
fast.
credit too.
Those are nice credits. Two on each.
IWM 56 cents on IWM is crazy. 58? No,
And
Phil,
I
that
think-
58. That's crazy.
You got a
Yeah.
58-cent Phil? I
You
got
got
a 57
58
cent Phil.
Tradier, thank you.
That's a
That's
great
those membership. That's the membership roll right there. And I have these open positions too. I have let's see. I have SPY open today out of the money.
Those calls not being in the money are crazy.
Yeah.
I want to look at the Nike chart now. That not
Dude,
being in the money.
we can pull that up anytime.
Yeah.
I just made a video on it. What a crazy chart. In fact, here. This was with the election, it just kept falling, man.
It
I mean, that's the last year.
Oh, you know why? Because they import their shoes from China and they're going to put a tax if Trump's under president.
Tariffs.
So look at this. I mean, here's the election.
Yeah,
77 down, started trading in like the 75 range.
Wow.
I mean, the strikes on this were what, 78, 79? I've been running this.
No, you had 80, 83, I thought it was.
Now, let's look. Nike, yeah, 80. 80 was my sold call.
Wow.
I mean, it's not even close. And if we look at the technicals, and we can pull up the analyst ratings and everything else too if we want on TradingView. But I was just looking at this before. I mean, not fun for Nike, at least from a technical analysis standpoint.
Probably going to keep dropping for a while.
Yeah. Any more trades coming through for people? I'll refresh mine here. I'm expecting
no 0 DTE SPX trades this week for pretty much.
Yes, that's been off.
It's been off.
I'll see Walmart and Bank of America entering on Monday. I'm expecting not LQD. This should just be closing. I'm looking for Nike, Shop, and Dell. Those should be entering within the hour.
You know, Dillon, not financial advice, but maybe load up a little bit more on Nike there.
No, look, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I may adjust, but I'm cool with. I feel even better about these other ones on here. I'm trading through an earnings report on Shopify. That's how confident I am about that pick. Anyway, I don't know if we need to get into that right now, but we can. Do we want to do PeakBot picks? Do we want to do a portfolio update?
Well, first, we have to do Trader Trivia because I'm curious.
Oh, yeah. We got to get back to that.
Yep. I would like to get back to it. I want to know what the largest drop was now. I'm going 22%, 30.
So just to reiterate, if you are new and you're not on PeakBot and you want to try PeakBot, send us a text with your answer, 973-888-1166, and you could win a free 3 months of PeakBot. So again, the question was, what was the largest one-day percentage drop in the history of the U.S. stock market? And the answer is 22% on October 19th, also known as Black Monday. This was back in 1987.
Oh, I was even wrong. I thought it would have
the
been
Dow dropped by 22.6%, which I guess should be rounded to 23%, just to make it sound more dramatic.
You know, I'm really curious what my Trader Trivia record is. I think I've only lost one on the first show since we've started doing this.
Because it was about Chinese rice futures or Japanese rice futures.
Yep. And I think that was the only one I've ever lost. I think I've gotten every single Trader Trivia right.
Man. Okay. Well, I'm upset. I was kind of leaning that way, but congratulations. And also congratulations to anybody who texts us the correct answer first. All right. Well, 1987. Happy I wasn't there.
Well, it would have been a good buying opportunity. So
yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Well, maybe it would have been a good thing.
What else? We want to get into PeakBot picks, guys? Or we want to start taking a look at portfolios?
I think PeakBot picks.
Let's do PeakBot picks.
First, we have to see who's right, who's wrong.
Yes. We have to review and make new picks. So let me pull my screen up here. Just a quick shout out to Thomas YT. First victory, Thomas.
First.
Finally got a W.
I know. It feels great. Maybe I'll go for it again this week.
We'll find out right now. We're going to take a look at
By
this.
the way, I've just got a quick comment. Looking at the records, I don't know if we need to show the loss column just because it makes us all look like a bunch of losers.
You know,
we can just show the number of wins.
We're competing against each other, though. It's not like we're competing against.
Yeah, but for the average person that's looking at us, they'll look at the record and be like, "Wow, Thomas sucks."
Yeah, they just
one for 5.
I realized that I lost like 4 rocks, paper, scissors, 3 rocks, paper, scissors.
Yeah, like he's doing well in terms of the picks. Like Thomas has gotten at least 2 out of 3 picks every week.
Yeah,
but the record just makes him look like he sucks.
Yeah.
Well, okay. Actually, let me suggest something live then. Why don't we? I mean, this may still not work, but if you think, and I agree, most of us are going 2 for 3, if not 3 for 3 on these picks.
We should show our total.
We want to do a total tally.
Total.
Yeah.
We can go back and do it.
We should show number of wins and then total tally. Yeah, exactly.
Like our record and then total picks tally.
Yeah.
Coming at you.
The best percentage.
Well, we're gonna start this week.
All right.
So Monday.
Well, we can go back in time. Well, I'll tally everything up.
You can go back.
I'll go back.
They're all bookmarked. Don't be prioritizing that over the customer service line now. But
we're all good today. As long as everything's good between 12 and 2, we'll be good.
Okay. So these are the picks for this week. I had these are expiring today, selected last Friday. This is week 7 in the contest. I had two bulls, 1 bear. Ben had the same. Thomas had 3.
Yeah, I'm
bear
done.
spreads.
I'm done.
Not feeling so good for you, Thomas.
I'm
In fact,
done.
Ben, pull up your chart. Let's just get Thomas out of the way here.
No, yeah, let's just.
But this is a great week. This is a great week to start the full tally.
This might be my one.
We'll do it retroactive.
We will do it retroactively. Ben, you got your screen up?
Yep.
All right. We're going to start with Thomas here. His first selection was a call spread on Pepsi, ticker PEP, $61 in premium earned, trying to stay below 170.
Ooh. Okay. Okay.
Sneak.
Tariffs.
I think I picked three food manufacturers, right? No, Uber.
You picked 3 consumer brands.
Yeah.
You might be all right.
That might be good.
So you mentioned Uber. That was your third pick. Let's just look at it now. Uber call spread bearish, $78 in premium, $77 strike price that you're looking to stay below by the end of the day today.
Bam.
Thomas.
Wow.
IT.
Bang.
All right.
I might be like a Mike Green, like bang, bang, like right after all of this.
J&J, Johnson & Johnson, third pick, call spread bearish, $81 in premium earned. What was that?
That's another consumer one. I'm actually, if I go 3 for 3 on bearish, this could be a revolutionary one.
165, trying to stay below 165.
Wow.
That's 3 for 3. What the market?
Wow, we're gonna have to start calling Thomas the Oracle of Morristown.
Wow.
Yeah,
that's crazy.
Surprising. Hey, it's not done. It's not done. Something might happen.
Oh yeah,
hours left. But
I'll have to jump like crazy.
All 3 of those are looking. They're looking good.
All
really
of
good.
those are so far out of them. They're 1 cent. They're worth a penny right now.
So if we were to do the math on this, I don't know exactly how wide the spreads were. These are some expensive stocks, but I could tell you that 81 plus 61 plus 78, that was $220 in premium earned per spread there. Nice job. Thomas did it. Our list, a higher list than this.
3 for 3 on bearish picks is crazy.
Yeah, that's wild. We should document this. Cut it. Okay. Ben, me or you?
Thomas. I don't want to follow that.
All right, Dillon. 2 bulls. First one, Goog, not Google, Goog. $53 in premium earned, trying to stay above 167.50. Give it to me. Coming for you.
Go.
Wow. Okay.
Well above.
Oh yeah.
My third one, just looking at it, I know it's going to be so tight. Okay. XLF, put spread bullish, $17 in premium earned, boring. 45.5, trying to stay above it. Come on. Yeah. Oh, this last one's going to be really close. I took this last pick, and when I saw it on the watch list, my strike was at 110, but I got filled at 109.50. It's ticker LQD. Call spread bearish. I earned $15 in premium, even more boring. But I'm trying to stay below 110. When I looked at this earlier today, it was very close.
Wow, that's close. You're
really
still
close.
3 for 3.
3 for 3 right now.
By
the way, my actual trade is in the money right now. If we were to look at my Tradier account.
Because you're at 109.5, right?
109.5. 109.5. I'd really love to see that drop 15 cents and be winners in the picks and the trades. But I earned some good premium on that. If I lose, it's not going to be very much. All right, Ben. You don't want to follow that either, but here we go.
Have to be 3 for 3.
Ben, this first stock you picked, I didn't know too much about it, but I saw a lot of people talking about this stock over the last couple of weeks on socials. CLSK, what is it, Clean Spark or something like that?
It just got halted today.
Did it?
Yeah, it was halted. So I don't know what the big deal about it.
Oh, boy. Okay.
Somebody happened to be running it on the wheel with a covered call.
Fun. Fun for you and them. All right. Well, things happen.
Call spread. I was bullish. No.
Huh? No,
I was bearish.
You're bearish on it. $47 in premium earned, trying to stay below 12.5. That's a tough start for you there, Ben.
And it's halted.
Wait, so it was halted today, Thomas?
Halted today. Last I checked, it was halted.
Or maybe it was yesterday.
No, today it was halted. Yesterday it was trading. See, there's no movement there.
That doesn't look.
This is controversial.
I just know I had somebody message me, and then I went to Google, and then it was just halted.
Look at that chart.
Doesn't look like it should have been halted.
But I don't know why it was halted.
Oh, big spike in well, no, that was election.
All right, what else do I have? Let's just blow through these now.
GameStop bullish. GME $16 in premium, trying to stay above 21. Got it.
Next.
Walmart, you sick individual. $31 in premium, bullish, trying to stay above 80. That doesn't lose. The stock does not lose.
Walmart doesn't lose.
Walmart and Bank of America on the wheel. Haven't been assigned. Been trading for over 2 months. I did turn it off this week though for the election. So Ben, you're 2 for 3 technically, and then who knows what happens with Clean Spark. But all right.
So Thomas, you won last week, so you get to pick the order.
Well,
you've never done this before.
Oh, I've never done this before. All right. We're gonna go Ben, me, Dillon.
I love it. But I love it, but I know what you're doing, and you're just trying to take Walmart away from me, and it's disgusting.
I know. I don't want Ben to have it, but I don't want it either. So
let's get Ben up on the screen here. Ben, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, I'll get a timer going.
I'm going to refresh the watch list so I get the most up-to-date data.
Ben, let's get just your face on here. Go ahead and do that.
You know how to do that.
Nope, forgot.
Click the button to the right of the screen that we're on.
Yeah, we had a training session afterwards about this for the last
button to the right of the screen that we're on. That doesn't even make sense to me. Can you just do it? Thank you, man. Really appreciate it. Hey, really appreciate that. All right, Ben. You can just see it around his face. Oh, I entered on Shopify, Liquid, Nike, and Dell. All very nice credits. We can look at it later. Here we go. Ben, 5 minutes on your count. You tell me when.
Go. All right. So the first thing I like to do, as always, I like to sort by buffer just for the sake of this competition, not necessarily for the sake of filling out my portfolio. And I do that because I want to give myself the most room to be wrong, right? The buffer is the price, that distance that the stock price is away from the strike price that we would sell. So I'm just going to scroll down this list. I also want to look for high pop here, probability of profit. We've got a bunch of earnings this week, which are indicated in these rows highlighted full red. I'm liking Riot right now. Bullish, high pop, 9% buffer. Let's take a look. It's trading at around $12. We would sell the $11 strike. Let's see what we got going on with Riot.
Crazy stock. Hate that stock, but love it for the picks, maybe.
I love
All
it.
right. Since September, we've been moving up, and then the election obviously had a lot to do with that. We saw cryptos explode. I shouldn't say explode. They've exploded more violently in the past, but cryptos are up. I wonder if that momentum will continue to carry. I think because of that, we're going to get some strong technical analysis, technical indicators indicating a buy. All right, put me down for a riot bullish. Oops, shouldn't go to that screen. Put me down for a riot bullish, $11 strike, $13 in premium. I might want to change that.
Okay.
We've got ticker TSL. No, let's keep going. I want higher pop here. Ooh, Moderna bearish. I could see how that could be the case. 7% buffer, which is quite a bit for Moderna. 75% pop, and we would be selling the 51 strike, trading at 47.58. So ticker MRNA. Oh, that looks bearish. All right. Take a look at these technicals. Oh, 0 buy signals for the week. 1 buy signal for yes. Definitely give me Moderna, ticker MRNA. We've got the $51 strike that we're selling. We are making $36 in premium. Can I get a time check?
Yes. 2 minutes, 25 seconds.
Cool. All right. I'm going to look at Unity Software. Bullish, 78% pop, 6.9% buffer, trading around 20.40 right now. We would sell the $19 strike, so that gets about $1.50 of room. Going to check out the charts. Just looking for the eye test here. 20 or what were we selling? We were going to sell the $19 strike, which is right around here. Haven't been down there since this popped up in September. It looks to be support / resistance, previous resistance at 1850. I don't know. That one's kind of close. It's kind of close. I don't love that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and take a pass there. Let me just double check to make sure Walmart is on the list. It is. I don't want to run into a situation like we ran into a couple.
Yeah, if you don't take it though, Ben, I will. So whatever you prefer.
Okay, all right, that's good to know. All right, so we're gonna continue to look. Let's see, what do we? Okay, GameStop, of course, bullish. I'm not even gonna look at this. Give me GameStop, bullish, 78% pop, 6.6% buffer, 22.50 strike, $20 in premium.
Do you want to check your riot bullish? You got a minute, 50 seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the minute. What else do I want to look at right now? Lemonade, bullish. Yeah, let's take a look at Lemonade. Ticker LMND.
I've never looked at this.
I actually use Lemonade for my home insurance. I don't like that spike.
19 seconds. You have to
all right, I guess I'm
in.
done.
Right.
I guess I'm done.
You're locked.
I'm done.
Okay. Quitter. No, just kidding. All right, Ben. Great job, man. Okay, so Ben's picks. Oh, there's my timer. Riot, GameStop, bullish on Riot and GameStop, bearish on Moderna.
No, we didn't do, and Ben we didn't
spy
do
analysis.
Any spy analysis. We didn't do any spy analysis. Do we want to take a moment to do it, or?
I think you're just building buffer for yourself. I think you better get in there. And
I'm ready. I know what. I already have my strategy ready. I know what I'm doing. Ben, did you or did you not pick Walmart?
You didn't.
I did not.
You know, maybe it's a sign that maybe Walmart could be a loser this week, and we leave it up to Dillon.
I just put Thomas's face on there all by myself, solo.
Good job.
That's great.
Thomas, you ready, man? You don't even have your screen share.
Oh, you're right.
Oh my god.
I was locked in.
This guy. I'm so ready. I don't even have my screen share.
Don't tell me when to click it.
I'm in.
Ready?
Yep.
Set. Go.
All right. This is the strategy, and it's gonna be the quickest picks. It's gonna
Zoom in,
be.
kid.
It's gonna
Zoom
be. What do you call it?
Zoom
No.
in, kid.
Oh yeah. My bad.
Move the
We're gonna
stop
go
sharing things, kid.
all consumer products.
Okay.
All right. So I want to go for like, and I've been trying to eat a little healthier recently. So I'm thinking we go short on Coca-Cola and Pepsi simultaneously, both bearish. Lock it in, and I'll show the chart real quick.
Okay, so KO and PEP.
Bold
You're
move.
gonna have to give me strikes and premium, sir.
Yep. But first, we're just gonna go over Coca-Cola. Really bearish. If it breaks below, if it closes below this 64, just looking at this chart now, which it looks like it might, could find some more support here, which means that, yeah, some support around here, previous resistance, could be a great move. So we're gonna go short Coca-Cola, call spread on Coca-Cola. Strike price below 65 with $14 in premium earned.
Okay, 65 and 14.
65 and 14.
Bearish. Pepsi, let's look at it.
Now we're gonna go Pepsi. It just happened.
Jenny, thank you. Love that you're enjoying this. Go ahead, Thomas.
Really happy that they were next to each other, actually. Turn my bot on after FOMC.
Great move.
Yeah, really.
I'm just trying to distract Thomas as much as possible.
It's all right. You need me to. 167.5. That's already some resistance right there. Lock it in. 167.5 bearish. Call spread on Pepsi.
Premium.
$35.
Okay.
So sorry, I know I'm zooming out here. Just want a little bit of a better view. All right, so now I want to go for another consumer product. Tariffs probably going to kill it.
Now, I personally don't think that tariffs are going to be as big of a deal as everybody is preparing for.
They probably won't, but if the market thinks that they will right now, and I need to go 3 for 3 again, I'm going to go 3 for 3 again. I can't keep up with these losing.
I thought you said this was going to be quick. You're halfway done. You only
I
have
can't
one
find any more consumer products. Well, first I was going over the chart. I have a strategy in mind. I still have 3-4 minutes left.
No, you got 2 minutes.
Oh,
220.
Target. Let me check the chart. TGT. Or was it TJX? What's target? TGT.
That would be
below 155. Oh yeah. Give me target below 155.
Premium.
Call spread. 26.
Okay. You locked?
Locked in.
3 bears. When technical analysis doesn't see a single sell signal coming anytime soon. But hey, I
Bury of PeakBot.
I don't hate that approach. I don't hate that approach at all. Okay. Well, time for me to put up or shut up here, huh? Let's refresh my watch lists.
Shared that screen.
Let's get this going. And Ben will have my picks. All right.
Ready.
Whoa, dude.
Set.
Go. All right. So I'm looking for bullish. I like the low. I do want to find some good buffer, but I got to sort through all the chaos, and I'm going all the way until I see low on here. For this contest, what was this? Chevron. It's a really, really high OP. 152.50. Let's look at CVX. What did I say? 152.50. Okay, we've been running up since September. 152.50. Looks like some really good support right at 152.50, honestly. Yeah, I don't even need to. I like this. Give me CVX bullish 152.5, $12 in premium earned.
$12 in premium. I'm
not the premium guy here.
That's the crime.
Yeah, that's rough.
Walmart.
Oh, here we go.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta find it.
Pick. I feel like this is either going to give him a free pick or he might lose it. I don't want to say I'm preying on his downfall this week, but
That would be rude. That would be rude.
I
But
feel
I
like that
think
would
you are.
be rude. But that's why I left him Walmart. You know, I could have went for it.
Give me Walmart bullish over 84, $25 in premium earned. And I would love to just be so boring and go with Bank of America.
Do it. You won't.
Let me look at the strike. 44. Again, I have not lost on Walmart and Bank of America in my live PeakBot portfolio since I've been trading them for a couple months now. 44, I said. I mean, look at that. This is back at the election. I mean, I like it. I'm not going to pick it yet, but I do like put it in Bank of America bullish at 44 with $10 in premium earned. Almost not shouldn't be allowed, right? Almost, if it's under $10, we should not allow it.
Yeah, I wasn't able to add Walmart because it just didn't show.
Well, it's on there. I qualified. Walmart didn't.
Yeah. What was the premium? Sorry.
10.
10.
But I might change it. Let's see here.
And that was bullish, right?
That was bullish, yeah. Costco, it's a very wide spread with a not of a very big buffer. I just don't like Comcast. I already got Chevron. Gold, not a bad idea to just go gold, but let's just look at Google again. 177.5 bullish. $177.5. I like that. Give me Google. No, I'm gonna stick with Bank of America. I'm keeping my 3. Walmart, Bank of America. What was my first one?
Chevron, CVX.
Okay. All right, lock me in. Walmart, Bank of America, Chevron. Bullish, bullish, bullish.
You're locked.
Bull
Locked
train.
and loaded.
We're on the bull train.
All right. So you've got Chevron, bullish, 152.5 strike, $12 premium. Boring. You got Walmart, bullish, $84 strike, $25 premium. Bank of America, bullish, $44 strike, $10 premium.
I'm happy. I'm happy with it. Do we want to just look at so was I let's pull up LQD. Just see if it's under 110 still. I'll pull that up.
That was your only one question there, right?
Yeah. Yes. Hasn't moved at all. I think that's exactly what
I think it went up a couple cents.
Oh, okay.
No, it went down a penny. It was at 109.66 when we checked.
Oh, okay.
So I'm okay. I'm okay for now. I got 45 cents or 35 cents of clearance.
Looking at this daily chart, you got quite a way to go. You got to break this trend and then bounce back up in just 3.5 hours.
I think I'm good. We're gonna have to rock, paper, scissors, Thomas.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to rock, paper, scissors.
Little Rochambeau. All right. Cindy, first trade today on PeakBot. Wow.
Let's go.
Love hearing that, Cindy. Welcome to the family. If you need any assistance, you know where to find us. Of course, not financial advice, but we're here to help you. Do we have any other trades that we wanted to look at? I had a couple other fill. I think maybe worth checking out quick just because.
Well,
I'll shut up. Let's do new bot alert.
We got a new bot alert, everybody.
Why don't you speak
now,
up? Yeah.
We're early right now. We're beta testing on Tradier paper at the moment. I'm not going to give you the name. It's a cool name. It's a really cool name. It's a really cool group of guys that we're working with too. And this is big. We're getting back into equities with this bot. Again, I'm not going to share too many details, but I will pull up my paper account just to show you guys what has been happening. And let me tell you what, this thing moves. This thing trades. You can see all these open orders. It opens orders. It cancels orders. It obviously, if you get filled, you get filled. But it is a beast. You can see all of these open. I can never manage all of this myself.
No.
This is a bot where it really, you need an automation to be able to trade this kind of strategy. And I'll explain the strategy in a little bit of detail in just a second. But here's my current portfolio holdings. Now, we don't have everything built out yet. We don't have the stop loss built in. We don't have the take profit fully built out just yet. The stop loss will stop loss around 5 to 10% of a loss.
Zoom in.
But we can see, zoom in. I'm very zoomed in already. But
Wow.
we can see we've got some bangers here. We got Peloton that got me into a huge position. I'm up almost $2,000 on Peloton. So this is going to be a really, really fun bot to be automating with. Essentially, what this bot does is it looks for tickers. It looks for companies that are about to squeeze, and it'll watch the squeeze happen. It'll look for a pullback and potentially get you in on the pullback, which is why we place so many orders, right? Because we want to place these orders. We want to be ready. The bot places the orders. The bot wants to be ready to get into these positions. If we don't get into an order or a position fast enough, the bot will cancel. So that way our capital is protected and we get to use that capital elsewhere. And when we do get into a position, then we start to look to take profit. There's a trailing stop on it. So if we increase in our position by so much, then you literally can't lose on that position because there's a trailing stop. So I'm really, really excited for this strategy. I think in the newsletter coming up this week, we will send out a survey to see if anybody wants to beta test with us. We will be moving into beta on live accounts in the next couple of weeks here. But this bot, I've said it enough times already. It's been fun just watching it through testing on paper. I can't wait to actually trade this live and see the impact that it can have on my portfolio. Again, look at all of these orders. Like this is just something that I couldn't keep up with all day while I'm working, full time on PeakBot here. This is something that only a bot can do. And since it is equities, it does trade pre and post market as well. So there's as much coverage as you can get on this bot. So I'm pumped up about it. Dillon, Thomas, do you have any questions that you think the person hearing this for the first time might have?
Yes, there will be questions because we are not sharing all of the details. No, but very active strategy, not necessarily for the faint-hearted, not for the very passive trader, I would say. Although with any strategy we're looking to automate, we want to find ways for you to be as passive as humanly possible. But I mean, you could see the action here. You're rolling the dice a little bit, but it's really nice with built-in take profits and stop loss. Are there TPs?
There are. Yeah, there's TPs, there's stop loss. So like all of these positions you see here, like minus 22%, we would have already cut ties with that. Yeah. We would already be out at somewhere between 5 and 10%.
Cool. Yeah, I don't know, Thomas, I don't know if you had anything to add. Again, really cool group of people. They have a great community who's very excited for this strategy. So it's just a matter of getting the testing right and getting everything built in.
Yeah. And Jenny had a guess here.
Oops, sorry.
Trying to get that on screen. Fibonacci bot. We actually do have a Fibonacci bot built. That's been on the bench for probably a year and a half now.
Yeah, not long.
But with this new strategy and with this new white label partner that we're working with here, this could be our introduction back into equities. We will see. Not making any promises, but 2025 could reintroduce equities bots for the PeakBot community. But keep an eye out. Anybody that's interested, beta will be free. You'll be able to trade this bot for free. But when we release this bot, it is with a white label partner, and there will be promotions. But if you want to trade it free and help us test and give feedback and do everything you can to make this bot the best it can be for others, that would be greatly appreciated. So in our newsletter this week that we send out on Wednesdays, we will be talking about this new bot and get people to start signing up for the beta test group.
Excellent. Very exciting stuff. Stay tuned for more information on this. If you want to test, Ben's alone. If you want to test, just let us know. And stay tuned on that. Gentlemen, I think we're good here. We love Jenny. I think Jenny may even be signed up for our masterclass. So options and automation masterclass. We're excited to give that to you. Anybody else who has interest in that? I don't know if we have a banner for that. If not, we need one. I'll get one going maybe for next show. But anything else we want to cover here, guys?
I'm hungry.
You haven't eaten lunch? Okay, go get some lunch. That just reminded me of how sad my lunch was and how hungry I still am, and I'm not going to eat.
What was your lunch?
Well, I thought, maybe this was backstage. Chicken noodle soup.
Boo.
I mean, it was good. It was good. It was actually chicken and rotini. Chicken rotini, not the normal new. Anyway,
Okay.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Thomas had breakfast tacos.
I did.
Chicken noodle. Ben, what are you gonna round this out? What do you have?
I've got leftover sloppy joes and some homemade French fries.
My wife and her family, they're from Pennsylvania. They call sloppy joes wimpies.
Like the Manwich sloppy joes.
Yeah,
maybe. I don't. Is that
It's
that's
different than a
what the
deli
reference?
sloppy joe?
yeah.
Huh?
It's
Yeah,
different than a deli sloppy joe.
Okay. They call them. Maybe they're slightly different, but that's what they call them. So
They're
I've
completely different. Well, I wonder how many people. Well, I don't think sloppy joes in New Jersey. I think are just different than sloppy joes anywhere else.
Yeah, maybe
Probably.
Yeah, I don't think I've never had like one of those like Manwich sloppy joes.
Nor have I.
Yeah, I don't really like the Manwich. My wife makes it all from scratch, which is awesome.
Naturally. Yeah. Look, I'm a pretty fat, sad eater. A lot of the times I won't touch Manwich. Like that is I'm not here to just screw up any brands, but I ain't touching Manwich with a 10-foot pole. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be back Monday morning live, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, with our new host and partner, Mark Phillips from Harvested Financial, for professionally managed accounts. We're going to be talking through a lot of that. If you're interested, use PeakBot.com/harvested. Thank you so much. We'll see you at the peak. Take care.
You know how the financial world goes. Here comes the buzzkill. Please make sure to take some time to read this boring disclaimer. We will owe you one.